Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable and how to disable remove animation option in Realme 14x phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings, we're looking for accessibility and convenience menu. Next at the top, accessibility, and in the vision tab, we have our accessibility options for vision. And at the very bottom, we have remove animations functions. So what does it do? We have very short explanation. Simply remove user's interface animations. We can enable this option to remove animations, and we can disable this option to stop removing animations. So it's a simple on or off switch. Animations are off, animations are back on. And that's all. Goodbye.